Fungi are a unique group of organisms set apart from both plants and animals. This diverse kingdom includes mushrooms, molds, yeasts, and more, each contributing to the ecosystem by breaking down organic matter and recycling nutrients. Their extensive mycelial networks and spore-based reproduction allow fungi to adapt to a wide variety of environments, supporting soil health and forming essential partnerships with other living things. The fungi salt uptake describes how organisms absorb ions like sodium and chloride, which is crucial for their survival, especially in challenging habitats. Certain fungi, such as those found in saline soils or coastal areas, have developed strategies to tolerate and even flourish in salty conditions. For example, species like aspergillus and penicillium can accumulate salts or adjust their metabolism, enabling them to persist where many other organisms cannot. For its potential environmental and agricultural applications. Fungi that manage salt effectively can help regulate soil salinity and improve nutrient availability, benefiting plant growth and ecosystem health. Researchers are investigating how these fungi might be used to rehabilitate saline soils and treat wastewater, offering innovative ways to enhance crop resilience and productivity in areas affected by salt stress.